Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to check the 24-hour price change for a coin on CoinMarketCap. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency, keeping an eye on price fluctuations is crucial, especially if you're accepting crypto payments, holding digital assets, or simply tracking trends that could impact your online business. Whether you're an experienced trader or a curious newcomer, understanding how to access this information can give you a better grasp of market trends, help you time decisions more effectively, and make more informed choices about buying, holding, or selling. So let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to CoinMarketCap's website. It's a reliable resource widely used by cryptocurrency enthusiasts, investors, and business owners to track the prices and market caps of various digital coins in real time. Just open your preferred web browser and type in coinmarketcap.com. Once the page loads, you'll see a vast array of cryptocurrencies listed in order of their market capitalization, which gives you a quick sense of which projects are the biggest and most established. But for our purpose, let's focus on finding the 24-hour price change information for a specific coin. Now, for this example, let's say you're interested in Bitcoin. It's a popular choice and a staple of the crypto market, and it's often used as a benchmark for how the overall market is performing. To access Bitcoin's details, simply click on its name or use the search bar located at the top right of the homepage to quickly navigate to its dedicated page. The search function is quite intuitive, making it easy to find any cryptocurrency you're interested in, whether it's a major coin or a smaller token you're considering for payments or investment. Once you've landed on Bitcoin's page, the analytical details can seem overwhelming due to the wealth of information displayed, especially if you're new to crypto. You'll see price charts, market cap data, supply information, and more. To narrow our focus, you want to find the section labeled Volume 24 Hours. This particular metric details the total value of the cryptocurrency traded within a 24-hour span. It's an important figure because high trading volumes can indicate significant interest and activity, which often influences price volatility and short-term movements. Click on the Volume 24 AKO heading. This should either highlight more specific data or direct you to a detailed chart or graph where recent trends and changes are analyzed. This visual breakdown helps you understand not just where the price is, but how it's been moving throughout the day. Here, you can see the 24-hour price change neatly laid out, typically indicated as a percentage. This percentage shows how much the price has increased or decreased in relation to its price 24 hours ago, giving you a quick snapshot of short-term performance. Remember, although this metric is quite helpful, it's essential to understand that 24-hour price changes are just one part of a much larger picture. Cryptocurrency prices can be highly volatile, changing significantly in a short period due to a variety of factors ranging from market sentiment and news events to broader economic conditions. For Shopify store owners especially, this means you should always pair short-term data with longer-term trends before making business or financial decisions. I hope this video helps you feel more confident in navigating CoinMarketCap to track crucial cryptocurrency movements. Checking the 24-hour price changes can be a stepping stone in enhancing your understanding of the crypto market and how it may impact your online store or investments. So keep exploring, stay informed, and make sure to use this as one of many tools in your decision-making arsenal. Thank you for watching, and happy investing.